Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining in for the third key element, wherein we are discussing about how can you take yourself from being a shy person to a confident person. And the third key element that I'm going to discuss today is be positive. Now hold on. I understand that you might be thinking, Pritam, it's really cliche to discuss about being positive. Well, what do you do when you are facing negativity all around yourself? I actually asked this question to so many of my friends and mentees, and guess what they said? They're really positive and they are really optimistic people, and they said, that's fine, Pritam, we all go through negativity, we all go through problems, and accept that. Well, that's good. Acceptance is like an anchor. It's not going to let you go down. You are there where you are, and it will make you feel that. That's how we do. That's how we accept things. That's fine. But there's one more question. You are already surrounded with adversities, problems, and negativity, and in the face of all these things, you have already hold yourself with the anchor based on accepting yourself in this current situation, and you accept the scenario. But if you are not positive, if you are not optimistic, if you don't have a future, a vision of the future, how you will move ahead? Don't you want to move ahead in the face of adversity? Don't you think that's going to be a really confidence booster, something that will help your self-esteem skyrocket? If that's a yes, make sure that you are positive and optimistic. Despite of so many problems and randomly going on things, not only in your life but hundreds and thousands of people of life, there are people who are having a positive approach. They know what to do, they're figuring out how to do it, and they're definitely taking steps to do it. If you are a negative person and if you feel that it's not going to work out, your self-esteem is nowhere going higher, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to drop down. And sometimes you will not be able to accept that, because there's a ripple effect for that. The more you think about, the more you feel that your life is not going anywhere and it's all surrounded with negativity, the more ripple effects is going to create, and because of which your self-esteem will eventually go down, and any and every action that you take after that is going to be self-driven towards catastrophe, because that's how you're programming your subconscious mind. First thing, be positive of what you want to do, how you want to do it. Despite this pandemic, don't you see people rising up? Don't you see organizations improving? This is how that you need to do, ladies and gentlemen. Right? If you are not positive enough, if you are not have a positive approach to whatever you are doing, it's going to take a real big time and a massive hit for you to realize this, and then hardly you will be able to do any progress. Make sure that you don't wait till that time, and already have your plans at stake and then executing them at one step at a time. Right? Thank you so much for joining in for this video. If you like this video, then make sure that you follow and subscribe to the channel. I will be making some amazing videos like this for you. Thank you so much for joining.